Good morning, students. New chapter: Pollution, types of pollution and its sources. Environmental damage caused by improper management of resources or by careless human activities result into pollution of atmosphere. What is pollution? Pollution is introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They can also be created by human activities, such as trash or runoff produced by factories. Pollutants damage the quality of air, water, and the land. Any activity that violates the original character of nature and leads to the degradation is called pollution. A substance that causes pollution is called a pollutant. For example, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and other harmful gases. Pollutants may be biodegradable like domestic garbage or non-biodegradable like glass, plastic, etc. The earth and its environment are facing serious threat by the increasing pollution in the air, water, and soil, the vital life support system of the earth. The harmful effects of pollution on our biosphere are such that unless checked immediately, the planet will become inhabitable for all humans, animals, and marine life. Means it is for not good for the living beings. Types or sources of pollution. We need to understand the sources of these pollutants and find ways to control pollution. This can also be done by making people aware of its effects with the increasing urbanization and industrialization. We are also constantly exposed to radiation and noise pollution, which are hazardous to our health and air we breathe. Types of pollution are air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and radiation pollution. Environmental pollution is one of the major concerns facing human race and other forms of life today. We believe that the increasing pollution is in the atmosphere has changed the climate around the world. The major source of pollution have affected the natural resources and they are interrelated, thus causing combined threat to every existence of life on the earth. The progress in the field of electronics and computers is showing adverse effect in the form of e-waste. Air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust pollen may be suspended as particles. Ozone, a gas, is major part of air pollution in cities. Release of CFCs is harmful for air. Although atmospheric pollutants can have natural sources, for example, volcanic eruption, the term is usually used to refer the gaseous byproducts of man-made processes such as energy production, transport, deforestation, and agriculture. Although air is still made up of mostly oxygen and nitrogen, mankind through pollution has increased the level of many trace gases and in cases released completely new gases to the atmosphere. The air pollution can result in poor air quality both in cities and countryside. Some air pollutants make people sick, causing breathing problems and increasing the likelihood of cancer. Others are harmful of plants, animals, and ecosystem in which they live. Some air pollutants return to earth in the form of acid rain and damages crops, forests, and buildings. And it is not suitable for fish and other plants and animals. Like means it will disturb aquatic life. Man-made air pollution is changing Earth's atmosphere. Although we know we have banned the use of different harmful gases which is affecting ozone layer, ozone hole over Antarctica and Arctic still form every year. And sometime when industrial smoke get mixed with atmospheric smoke, then it is known as smog, which is very common in Delhi and causes lot of health problems. Air pollution occurs when large amount of gas and tiny particles are released into the air and ecological balance is disturbed. Each year, millions of tons of gases and particulates are emitted into the air. Primary and secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants are those pollutants which are directly released into the air. They are called SPM, that is suspended particulate matter, for example, smoke, dust, ash, or radioactive elements. Secondary pollutants are pollutants which are formed due to chemical interactions between the atmospheric components and primary components. Example, smog. Smog means we have already in the winter season we have a fog, and atmospheric other components like industrial smoke get mixed with the fog and then it causes smog, which is very harmful for the health. They are natural pollutants, or you can say major air pollutants which are present in the atmosphere like carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, etc. Other sources of air pollution, natural source like volcanic eruption, like dust particle, ashes which comes out from the volcanic eruption, earthquake, falling up of building or collapsing of building give dust, forest fire, lot of smoke is released in the atmosphere, dust storm, dust get added into the atmosphere. So these are the natural air pollutants or causing air pollution. Man-made air pollution. Man-made sources of air pollution includes automobiles, industries, burning of garbage and brick kiln, etc. Automobile pollution. Number of vehicles on the road causes carbon monoxide, which is hazardous to health. The environmentalists have expressed great concern that the emission of nitrogen oxide by large number of supersonic transports airplanes may cause deterioration of the ozone layer, which may cause serious damage to flora and fauna. CFCs, that is chlorofluorocarbon, are synthetic chemical compounds which are used as cleaning agents in refrigerators, fire extinguishers, etc. These release CFC molecules into the stratosphere, which intends ultraviolet rays to split them. Its reaction with ozone causes depletion of ozone, which is a serious concern to animals, microscopic and aquatic life. Due to the discharge of nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxide into the atmosphere, the rain that we receive is acidic in nature and is called acid rain, which is harmful for buildings, monuments and even for the living creatures. Industrial pollution. Manufacturing industry release a wide range of pollutants in the air. Oil refineries discharge harmful gases like ammonia, hydrocarbons and sulfur oxide. Aluminium plants release fluoride dust. Cement industry emit plenty of dust which is very harmful. Burning garbage causes smoke which pollutes the atmosphere. This smoke contains harmful gases such as carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide. The open burning of waste and incinerators also release sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. Increasing quantity of these harmful gases like carbon dioxide may increase global warming, which may result in rise in the sea level due to the melting of ice in the polar regions. Brick kilns. In India, especially in north, one can see a number of brick kilns. They use coal to burn the bricks. Not burn the bricks, bake the bricks. They give out huge quantity of carbon dioxide and particulate matter such as smoke or dust, which is very harmful to the people working there and areas surrounding it. The fine dust particles causing lung diseases. Indoor pollution. Many air conditioned and heated indoor spaces in office and buildings are responsible for polluting the atmosphere. Many cleansing agents like releases poisonous gases such as ammonia and chloride into the atmosphere. Dead animals and plants, when they decomposes, gives out methane and ammonia which get added into the air and it pollutes. Radioactive elements, when it is released into the air, it emits alpha, beta, gamma rays into the air, which is very harmful and remain in the environment for a longer duration. Water pollution. Our planet Earth is covered with 71% of water and 29% of land. But the fast growing contamination of water is affecting both human as well as marine life. Water pollution. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances, often chemicals or microorganisms, contaminate a stream, river, lake, ocean, aquifer, or other water body, degrading water quality and rendering it toxic to humans or the environment. The pollution of water makes life difficult. Man has polluted not only surface water but also groundwater. Millions of people die after consuming contaminated water every year. They suffer from jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, and that result into death in some areas. Freshwater pollutants or natural source. How the water get polluted by nature. First, suspended impurities like bacteria and virus. Second, algae, protozoa or fungus. Or you can say dissolved impurities like salt, metals like nickel, lead, mercury, or gases. Human sources of water pollution. Urbanization and industrialization have resulted in excessive water pollution. The human sources of water pollution can be classified as first, sewage and domestic waste. Man uses water for domestic purpose. With no proper infrastructure to dispose of this waste, this contaminated water is poured into nearby rivers or in oceans, affecting the marine life. The sewage contains synthetic detergents and microorganisms. Domestic waste include detergents and fertilizers containing phosphate. This phosphate, when released in water, promote growth of algae. This is called eutrophication. Means the percentage of oxygen in the water reduces. This way, aquatic weeds grow in the water bodies and become an hindrance to fishing and irrigation. Sometimes this pollution is also caused by the soil in the areas of construction, logging sites, urban areas, or erosion of river bank. Our natural conditions like lakes, rivers and other water bodies undergo eutrophication, an aging process that slowly fills in the water body with sediments and organic matter. Second is industrial waste. Most of the industry releases chemicals like chloride, sulfides, carbonates, nitrates and metals like zinc, mercury, copper, chromium, etc. So many harmful chemicals which has been released into the rivers or nearby water source. Out of this, lead, manganese and mercury are most harmful for human, plants and animals. Clearing of land can lead to erosion of soil into the river. Waste and sewage generated by industry can get into the water supply, introducing large organic pollutants into the ecosystem. Water can become contaminated with this toxic radioactive elements from the industry, mine sites and abandoned waste sites. Next, agriculture waste. Agriculture waste include commercial livestock and poultry farming as a source of many organic and inorganic pollutants in surface water. Pesticides, insecticides and chemical fertilizers from the agricultural runoff. Many pollutants include sewage and fertilizers contain nutrients such as nitrates and phosphate. In excess level, nutrients overstimulate the growth of aquatic plants and algae. Excessive growth of these type of organisms constantly clog our waterways, use of dissolved oxygen and as they decompose and block light to deeper water. Means When eutrophication takes place, then it stops the penetrating of sunlight deep inside the water, and whatever the oxygen is present in the water, it also reduces. Nuclear waste. Nuclear waste containing radioactive elements contaminate groundwater, and they may also enter our body through the food chain. Oil spills. Waste from the city drains, tankers, and leakage from oil wells causes oil to seep into the sea and pollute the water. It is because of the damage caused to the oil tankers by accidents, natural seepage of water, offshore production losses associated with oil refineries, disposal of used automobile lubricants, etc. into the sea. Thermal waste. It uses the recycled hot water. Thermal power plants release the recycled hot water into the river, sea, causing air pollution. The hot water raises the temperature of water body, affecting the marine life. Sources of marine water pollution. First, marine commerce, that is movement of different ship, industrial effluents joining sea and oceans, dumping of radioactive substance into seawater, sewage brought to the sea by rivers, offshore oil rigs, recreational activities, agriculture pollutants brought to the sea by rivers. All these causes marine water pollution. Soil pollution. Soil contamination or soil pollution results from deposition of solid waste, accumulation of biodegradable material, toxification of chemicals into poisonous substance. Land degradation is caused by the presence of human-made chemicals or other alteration in the natural soil environment. It is typically caused by the industrial activity, agricultural chemicals, or improper disposal of waste. Sources of soil pollution. First, industrial waste containing chemicals when dumped in soil contaminate them. For example, thermal plants generate large quantity of fly ash and waste from fertilizer factories. Chemicals from oil refineries and iron and steel plants also pollute the soil. Second, urban, commercial and domestic waste. The most harmful pollutants, non-biodegradable waste like glass, plastic, polythene bags remains in the soil for a long time. Chemical fertilizers. Agriculture practice today mostly use chemical fertilizers, insecticide or pesticides contains harmful substances such as phosphorus and potassium. These pollutants are released in water as in the form of runoff water, and it also affects the soil. Hospital waste or biomedical waste. It contains plastic, metals, needles, chemicals, etc. This waste is thrown or dumped into the soil. This contaminates the soil with pathogens which affects the human health. Pesticides used to control pests and weeds in the farming contaminate the soil as they mix in the water mostly and contain phosphate and nitrates which accumulates in the soil permanently. So in this way the soil get polluted. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is generally defined as regular exposure to elevated sound level that may lead to adverse effect in humans and other living organisms. According to World Health Organization, sound level less than 70 dB decibel are not damaging to living organism regardless to how long or constant the exposure is. Any sound that causes annoyance is regarded as noise and is considered as a source of pollution. Crossing 70, that is 80 decibels, causes noise pollution. Noise pollution is a problem that is prevalent mainly in cities and towns. People in and around cities are exposed to loud noise most of the time. The noise comes from things such as aeroplanes, trains, automobiles, loudspeakers, firecrackers, industry. Sources of noise pollution, industries. The machines in factories and industries and their whistling sounds, crushing noise, thundering sound are source of noise pollution. Mining activities using dynamite for blasting of rocks. Construction equipment, movement of machines on the construction areas. Transports, horns of buses, trucks, scooters, cars, planes, jet planes takeoff and landing causes noise pollution. Urban areas, movement of vehicles, loudspeakers, firecrackers, high pitched music. All this causes noise pollution, and this noise pollution led to high blood pressure, headache, vomiting, etc. Radiation pollution. The radioactive pollution is defined as the physical pollution of living organisms and the environment as a result of release of radioactive substance into the environment during testing of nuclear weapons production. Even nuclear power plants, transport and disposal of nuclear waste, mining of radioactive substance, fallout of bomb explosion are also sources of radiation pollution. These sources causes permanent damage to life and property. Sources of radiation pollution, natural and man-made. Natural sources of radiation pollution, the cosmic rays emit radioactive radiation which is very harmful to living organisms. It pollutes life supporting systems like air, water and soil. It enters into the Earth's atmosphere from the outer space. Man-made sources, mining and processing of uranium ore or mining of radioactive ores, nuclear waste handling and disposal, nuclear accidents in power plants, nuclear explosion and testing of nuclear weapons, X-rays waste, waste generated from hospitals where isotopes are used for diagnostic and therapeutic processes. All this causes radiation pollution which is very harmful and remain in the environment for a longer duration. I think this part of pollution is clear. We have air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution and radiation pollution. Sources of pollution. What are the different sources of pollution? You have to learn in this.